This apple blueberry crumble is a perfect example of a healthy and delicious dessert. It is a versatile recipe where you can swap apples in the fall for fruits like berries and peaches in the summer. Extracts such as vanilla or citrus flavors can intensify taste without adding more sugars. We can add other warm spices such as clove or nutmeg for extra flavor. To make the topping, place the walnuts, oats, brown sugar, flour, flaxseed, and cinnamon in a medium bowl and stir to combine. Spread the topping evenly over the fruit mixture. Cover with foil about halfway through if the topping browns too quickly. For more information on reducing added sugars or adding in more fruit, visit myplate.gov.